How did the ancient Egyptians build the pyramids? Here's one of history's greatest mysteries. Over 4,500 years ago, ancient Egyptians built the Great Pyramid of Giza. It's made of over 2 million stone blocks, some weighing more than 70 tons. And yet, without cranes, engines, or modern machines, they built one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. So the question is, how did they do it? To understand the pyramids, we need to go back to ancient Egypt around 2600 BCE. Egypt was unified, powerful, and organized under the pharaohs. The Nile provided fertile land, food, and most importantly, transportation. Pharaohs weren't just kings, they were seen as gods on earth. Building a pyramid wasn't just architecture, it was a religious act, a gateway to eternity. Popular culture says the pyramids were built by slaves. But modern archaeology tells a different story. The workers were skilled laborers, farmers, and craftsmen. During the Nile's flood season, farming was impossible, so tens of thousands of Egyptians worked on the pyramids, supported by food, housing, and even medical care. Archaeologists have found workers' villages and bakeries near Giza. These people weren't slaves. They were part of the greatest national project in history. The pyramids were mainly built with limestone quarried locally, while granite for the inner chambers came from Aswan, over 800 kilometers away. Transporting these massive stones wasn't easy. Recent discoveries suggest they used wooden sleds over wet sand, reducing friction by nearly half. On the Nile, stones were shipped on large wooden boats. Imagine the logistics. Every 2 minutes, for 20 years straight, a block had to be set in place. So how did they lift and arrange these stones? There are several theories. The straight ramp theory suggests a massive ramp stretching out from the pyramid, but this would have required more material than the pyramid itself. The spiral ramp theory imagines a ramp wrapping around the pyramid as it rose, more efficient, but difficult for precision. The internal ramp theory, proposed by French architect Jean-Pierre Houdin, suggests an internal spiral corridor inside the pyramid used to move blocks upward. None of these theories are proven, but all point to one truth. The Egyptians had advanced engineering skills far beyond what we once believed. The Great Pyramid is aligned almost perfectly to true north, with an error of just 0.067 degrees, something modern builders would struggle to achieve even today. The three pyramids of Giza are also aligned with Orion's belt, reflecting the Egyptians' deep connection between earth and sky, life and afterlife. In 2017, scientists used cosmic ray scans to look inside the Great Pyramid. They discovered hidden voids, giant chambers still unexplored. What were they for? Storage? Secret tombs? Or something we haven't even imagined? The mystery continues to grow, even after 4,500 years. Today, AI and 3D modeling allow us to test pyramid theories like never before. Some dream of reconstructing ramps to prove how it was done. Others wonder, could we build another Great Pyramid today? The truth, it would cost billions, require thousands of workers, and even with modern cranes, we'd struggle to match the speed and precision of ancient Egypt. But maybe the real question isn't how the pyramids were built, but why? Were they monuments to the pharaohs? Messages to the gods? Or perhaps a way for humanity to say, we were here and we dared to dream beyond death? The pyramids stand not just as tombs, but as eternal symbols of ambition, unity, and the human drive to achieve the impossible. So next time you look at the Great Pyramid, remember, it's not just a pile of stones. It's a conversation across time between ancient builders and us. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think we'll ever uncover the full truth of how the pyramids were built? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of history.